Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you the one website where we can create backlink. So basically this is a Adobe website. So I can provide you, this is a URL community.adobe.com. So where we can contribute commenting on the PDF, any other activities. Okay. So you guys have to, I can provide this URL over the description section where you guys can found. Once you guys can click this URL, then you guys can create your profile. If you guys are having your profile, then you guys can only you guys can optimize your profile. Okay. So where you guys can add your so there is a option to you guys can click manage account button, and you guys can update your profile details. Okay. So let me show you what kind of details you guys can optimize. So you guys can add your picture, profile picture, your company name, and your this is your Adobe URL. Okay, username. Okay, so these things you guys can complete. Then you guys can search your stream, your category. So suppose that my category is traffic management. Traffic traffic management. Let me check if any post or any content are available, then we can contribute. So there we have found Adobe remote update manager, any other things, 14 result. So let me check. Mac, let me check. Road light traffic design, yeah. So I found this result, and we can explore other result also. Traffic on Adobe, allow Pinterest traffic light, yeah. So I can going to generate a one comment for this keyword. So I'm going to take help for the chat GPT and the other one. I can provide you with a keyword. You you have to generate short commenting content. Yeah. So and also you can add our company name. Also you can add our company name, Glean Traffic. And then you guys can go over there and you guys can see there is a reply button. You guys can click over there and you guys can found that kind of a dashboard. So there you guys can paste your comment, and you guys can check this is your company name where we can going to add our backlink. Okay, so simply I can going to copy my website URL and you guys have to paste it over there, and you guys can click OK button. So you guys can see your backlink is inserted, and then you guys can click to post button. And let me check, it's an instant approval backlink or yeah, Glean Traffic. So you guys can see our comment is posted now on that website. So let me show, it's a do follow or no follow backlink. So it's a no follow backlink, but it's a high quality where we have created backlink in adobe.com. So you guys can see there we have added our backlink. So if you guys can want to attract if you guys can want to get backlink from a high quality website through Adobe, so you guys have to do these things on that website. So still, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of project, services, any suggestion, then you guys can found my social details over the description section. And if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can going to motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you can understand, you guys can do something from your side. I hoping these things. So okay, yeah, bye bye, take care.